I brought my 2 elders.
Yeah.
My 19. Beautiful. Wait. Wow. Wait. I'll go to the CR first.
Dito, ma'am. Dito sa loob.
Wow. Wait. Building
Finally.
before.
Well, this was released in the 20s before
I love
building,
it.
Yeah?
Can you call Junyi para merong Junyi? Photo muna. Kita yung
I'm ready po.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Angod of Junyi. Okay, may picture. Yan. Sabi ka lang sa akin, picture. Okay, video.
2, 1.
Ito ang angod ni installation artist Junyi. Okay. Magaling talaga ako.
Atras. Iya.
Tatatabi mo. Yan yan, naglalakad.
Ron.
Kita po.
Atras. Naglalakad sila.
Okay lang, kasi walang malibang sa kaibigan siya at supporter ng art. So, talagang malalim. Yun yung basta. Yung sinaulo dotit, no? So, may dotit na sinaulo. Sa mo, malalim mag-isip.
Diba mayroon akong work na malalim?
Yeah, nasa mo yun, malalim.
Malalim ang
Malalim. Tama ba yun?
Yes.
Yeah, meron mo iba. Walang ibang palang bihira. Bihira na lang. Bihira. And at,
Huwag na lang ba?
Ayan, sarap pa aircon mo. Okay. Get to her. Ang papa ko po is 91 years old. Sinama ko. Ay, mag-picture kayo mga
Sa magandang hapon po sa ating lahat, tayo ay inaanyayahan maganda ng pagkakaling programa ay magsisimula na. Maraming salamat po.
Sir, faithful in doing it. So, permit me to be happy today, right? To our wishes host at total supporters, Lord, regardless of this, who gave us total support because he understood what we are trying to do. So, he understood art, that's why he was very generous in helping us to realize our dream. So thank you very much. And also, I would like to make my Lino. That was 12 years ago, I think. I was having a small talk with loyal today of UP Del Peso, maraming aktibidades. Nasa tabi kami ng UP, I solicited from my collector. My biggest collector is the premium. Natawa ko. May money for the aircon, walang provisions from my own pocket. Then, hindi pa rin ako satisfied. And I keep on adding, and the third sculpture became 10 because, it's for art. Ang isip niya sa pag-intindi kung ano ang kultura at art. Nakataon lang mas busy siya sa sine. But in our private moments with my good friend Antonio Pusca, kaming tatlo pag nag-uusap kami, so free-flowing. So naintindihan ko silang dalawa. So when we were together, the three of us, nakikinig lang ako kasi they are co-cares, So, hindi sila nauubusan ng I will ask UPLB sa garden nito kasi hindi ako makikialam kahit na turnover nito, hindi ako makikialam kung may nakita. Ngayon ako kasama, maraming salamat sa tulong ninyo, Chancellor Camacho, Ilino po, salamat sa lahat ng garden. So, thank you very much also for coming. Enjoy yourself.
Applause for Sir Junji. Thank you very much for sharing the background of the UPL Nostalgia Garden. Now let's move on to our next agenda. Allow me to introduce our esteemed guest of indigenous knowledge and regional assemblies in the first UPLB Sculpture Garden, as said by Sir Friends. She deserves a letter of free. Let's please welcome the steadfast champion of the arts, Honorable Robin B. Legarda.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Maupo po ang lahat. Maraming salamat. Nakakatuwa. Who is the reason for all this? But I'll talk about him later. And one of my favorite officials of government is a chair of the National Commission on Culture. Makiling. I wish I could do that again. 13 years ago with my son, you would dare me at least take a photo. Bati sa inyong lahat. Sa mundong namamayagpag ang teknolohiya at modernisasyon, naniniwala akong ang sining ng sining, malaya nating naihahayag ang ating kritikal na pag-iisip at ang ating mga hangarin para sa kinabukasan. Junyi, one of the pioneers of installation art in the country, in many creative initiatives that would promote awareness in heritage, environmental conservation, and the beauty of Philippine artistry. We share the same passion, not only in Tony Oposa. Ayun naman, artist ka rin, di ba? Kami ni Tony, nagpapanggap painting ng sunset at ng nature, maganda, acrylic or oil. And my Ilocana nanay, who's 90 years old, because she raised me from birth. At sila ay testigo na ako'y, bago pa man ako siguro, sabay siguro ng aking pagsalita, o bago ako matutong talagang bihasang magbasa, ay ako'y nagpipin, not meant to be. I was not meant to be an artist. I was not meant to be a Jew. In Batanes, I think, right? In Pangasinan, I'm not certain. Of the 20 sculptures, 20, right, Julie?
Yes.
In the garden. Ang haba na ng storya. Someone should explain what is the significance of the 35? What is the other word? The SIL. Summer in conversations that we want to hear. Not chismis, not gossip, not negativity, but really to allow our brains to flow. 130 language is indeed wealthy. And when you have 130 languages, you have the cultural heritage. So, in 2018, ano yung angod? I have one piece of angod in my office, and people ask, at yay pinahiram ko, binigay ni Judy bilang alaala sa kanyang artwork na Center of the Philippines noon na nagpapahiwatig sa atin na ito ang mga tips of illegally cut lots. Am I correct, Judy, that you gathered? Did you talk to illegal loggers then? Okay, whichever. Tell me your story if you actually connived with illegal loggers to get those. So, people, ba't mo sinasabi dyan? Because usually people would like to see beautiful paintings, di ba? But when they see, as soon as you enter, and of course I ended my term and the door has... Okay. So this is the first, but definitely I'm happy to officially launch the UP Los Baños Sculpture Garden, knowing that the budget was made possible through the collective effort of the university. Binasa nyo, nakailang 2 years, 6 decades of artistic expression. It features different installations that have meaningful social relevance, including, as I mentioned, the Bagong Binhi, originally created in 1986, in case you didn't know, legislated in 2018. So, that's the original ng ating lipunan na minsan ay ating nakakaligtaan o hindi makuhang banggitin at pagpag-usapan. Kung kayo.
Alright, moving forward. Now for his acceptance speech, let's hear it from those with the unwavering commitment to honor and excellence.
Lalong-lalo na po ang ating panauhin at isa po siya tawag namin sa kanya artist in residence. Membro ho ng ating mga executive committee. Nandito po ang ating mga vice chancellors.
Thank you very much. Alright, now let's continue our journey of inspiration as we will hear another message from another distinguished leader.
Tatanong kay Julie kasi ayaw niya yung pangalan. Walang pangalan yung word. O syempre, dadaan ako sa bahay yung bago. Nice to see you. Question. Kasi nagtatanong syempre, lahat kami, ano yung title gano'n? Hindi ba dapat may parang sa side yung pangalan, ayaw mo?
Sinubukan ko yung versus card yun, ninakaw kagad.
Okay. O, ano pang gusto mong i-picturean natin? Lati. Ito si Angod.
Yes.
Oh, si ano?
Si Joker.
Si Joker.
Ano ibig sabihin ni Joker? Tell me.
Joker is part actually
Thought. Okay. Sandali.
It's the same thing. The same balance.
Siya yung snake. Winner din yan. It
Yes.
original.
Yung mga lalaki na
Pero ginawa mo. Oh, that's part of it. It's,
that's part of the landscape.
ah.
Oh yeah,
Sino
okay.
nag-landscape?
Ha?
Sino nag-landscape? Why is Miss Lang running in the middle? I mean, these people don't have...
15 pa lang po ang nagawa ko, bro.
Ginawang baybayin ni Rio.
Yeah.
Oh, that's...
Sinabaybayin.
Yes. No, so first we have the signboard of the name of each and every structure.
With number, and then there's a
With
tile
number.
with a number.
Yes.
Rachel, halika. Rachel.
Atras po tayo.
Okay. Photo po na.
Okay, ready, ma'am?
Ready.
Ready po. Eyes here. 1, 2. One more. 1, 2. Hold on po.
Even if may bumili
Tingin po lahat dito. Para.
magkakaproblema sila. Kasi gagawin building eh. Bahay ng national artist, ang gardens.
Okay. One more, ma'am. 1, 2. Okay.
Okay, everybody eat.
Okay na.
Tony, ites ako sasama.
Ha? Eileen with the Chancellor's office. Yes. Ay, Vice Chancellor. Yes. Yes, saan nga po?
1, 2.
Ay, I forgot yung mga board. O, tayo dalawa tapos solo. Sige, sige. Dito ka sa kanan. Okay. Okay.
1, 2.
Okay, go.
Here po, eyes here. Eyes here. Dito.
Tinakot ko eh. Sabi ko, hangin! Ay, ba't nawala yung bulaklak? Yan o, ay, yung malis. Okay na po. Isang picture kasama. Opo sa... Surprise! Oh. 20.
1, 2, 3. Eyes here, eyes here. One more.
Alam ko na. Yan, umanda na. I hope. Sana nalisto yung mga ano. Never mind. Sira ulo. He's the only one who can call me that. Sira ulo. Because sa kana. Yeah, I see Arna. Yeah. Yeah,
but I saw the picture.
You saw in Tapa, you're available.
Doon pinost na
Like on the green.
The red. Okay.
Si Sir Dunyi.
Sir po ah.
Si Junyi. Junyi.
Nice. Okay.
Correct. Kasi, ganito na lang. Teka. Ako na mag-direct. You're the
For
dean
second
of
term.
which college?
Forestry.
Forestry. Still there. Very good.
Congrats, sir.
Congrats. Okay.
Vice Chancellor
I have a
Silva.
question. Do we take can I just have a few on my phone? Yeah, nice to see you. Maybe I can just have a few. Nakatingin ako, tapos follow action. Siyempre, ako nagdidirect. Wala si Sherry